What is TikTok now? New feature by TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on what is TikTok now. What is this new feature that we see on our TikTok account, how to use it and how it works. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can open up your TikTok account and we are getting this new option on TikTok at the bottom next to our home option. We have a TikTok now. So once you go there, if you have a TikTok app installed, then it will look like something like this. Otherwise, it says download the TikTok Now app. It is a new app by TikTok, which is very similar to Be Real. And what happens is that we can create moments, we can create memories. We have a time where we take a photo and we upload that photo. So the photo is taken with dual camera. You also show people where you are and you can also show them what you look like. So let me actually show you how it works. First of all, you will have to go to the if you have iOS, Android, just go to your Play Store, Apple Store and download the TikTok Now app. Once you download it, then it will look like this and you just have to click on open and it will take you right here. If you have a TikTok account, then you will just sign in with your TikTok account to your TikTok Now. It will have the same profile picture, the same name and the same settings. If you have a private account on TikTok, then this is also going to be a private account. So you can see it created an account for me. I have the same name that I have on TikTok. We have the same profile picture, but the platform is different. You can click on these three dots at the top right of your profile and you can go to the privacy settings to just check if your account is private or not. You can make it public. It totally depends on you. Then you have comments, following list, only me. So we have all of these different options, and in settings we have help center, manage TikTok account as well, and others. So if I take you to the For You page, or what we call the Explore page on our TikTok Now, so you can here I will be able to see the TikTok Now from my friends. This is the one that I posted. And then we have Explore. You can see you can switch at the top. In Explore, I will be able to see from different people, just like our For You page, random people, and I will be able to see their TikTok Now. So to upload a TikTok Now, you can click on the upload option right here at the bottom, or it actually depends on the time. If you have like 3 minutes to upload, and you can do that. Once you do, then you will get that memory of that day. So it totally depends on the time. Keep that in mind. It's like a quick way. It's like a moment. You don't have time to plan things. You don't have to plan to post. Wherever you have, you will have to post. That's what it actually means. You can invite your friends by just clicking on this plus button, and then you will be able to find different users and friends. So I can go to my profile now, and in memories, you can see I have a memory at this date and it will show me. Now I can upload more. So this is how TikTok Now works, and it's a new app by TikTok, just like our Be Real, if you want to compare it to another app. And you can also switch to your TikTok, or you can access your TikTok Now from your TikTok account. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you have an idea what is TikTok Now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, turn on bell notification and subscribe to Software Made Easy.